Hi there! Nuclear chemistry is used frequently in food and agriculture. One example is insect control. Insects can be a pest and harm to farmers and people who live in the same area that insect hides. Nuclear insect control can be helpful to those people. We are for it. Let's go learn about chemistry.
I have come from the past to teach you about nuclear chemistry. Follow me!
The first scientist to discover radioactivity was a woman named Marie Curie. Curie found that radiation was proportional to the amount of radioactive element present. She discovered that radiation was a property of atoms. In 1902, Frederick Soddy studied nuclear chemistry further and proposed that theory that radioactivity is the result of a natural charge of an isotope of one element into an isotope of a different element. Ratios of neutrons to protons are always trying to reach perfect stability by going through the process we know as radioactivity. There are three types of radiation. Alpha radiation, which is the emission of an alpha particle from the atom's nucleus. Beta radiation, which is the worst radiation, involves the emission of electromagnetic energy from an atom's nucleus. Nuclear fission and fusion are both processes of releasing energy from an atom. Nuclear fission is a result from a bombardment of a neutron into splitting the nucleus in half to form two medium-sized atoms. Nuclear fission is caused when two small atoms combine to make a medium atom. Beta radiation is the transmission of a neutron into a proton and electron.
Hey, Macklemore, can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Nuclear insect control is used by the process of sterile insect technique. The SIT uses gamma rays to make male insects sterile so they can't reproduce. The purpose of this is to reduce the amount of insects, especially for agricultural purposes. The benefits of using this type of nuclear chemistry are to control pests that spread harmful diseases that can be deadly to humans and animals. It also keeps the bugs from destroying crops. The downfall of using SIT is that it can be harmful to those that come into too much contact of radiation.
Nuclear insect control is a huge advantage to farmers and agriculturalists. It is also useful to those who work in the food industry. Added to this, it can prevent the spread of diseases through insects. Protects humans and livestock from deadly diseases such as trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping disease. It protects crops from total destruction. Nuclear insect control reduces the population of pests for humans as well.
Go.
The downfall to nuclear insect control is that it may cause harm to humans or animals that come into contact with too much radiation. One example would be mutations, especially among newborns.
While there are detriments to nuclear insect control, the pros outweigh the cons. The government takes many preventive steps to keep radiation exposure under control. For example, proper storage keeps radioactive waste from being exposed, and water near nuclear plants are banned from swimming. This keeps radiation under control, so the likeliness to be exposed is slim. This is why nuclear insect control is an advantage in our world today.
Hey guys! Wanna hear a joke?
Yeah!
So Silver walks up to Gold in a bar and says, "Hey you!